What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this video. So this is gonna be just a super random video. Yesterday it was Sunday, and last night my parents and I were kind of like, let's go on a little adventure. So we went out, we drove out a little bit, and we found these waterfalls that were it's actually created from so much rain, because we've had lots of rain recently. So they're not like natural waterfalls. They are. They are natural waterfalls, but like, it's not usually a waterfall, but from so much rain, it's created these waterfalls and whatever. So anyways, I just thought I would share with you guys, and so I created this little video that I wanted to share with you. So enjoy the little adventure.